Hi, I'm Kevin, your K20CS307. In this video, we are going to see about the triggers. This aim to understand the concept behind the triggers to implement the test triggers on database. So the database triggers are procedural code automatically executed in response to certain events on the particular table or used in the database. The triggers is mostly maintaining the integrity of the information on the database. For example, you have a new record is added to the employee table. New record should also be created on the tables of the access vaccinations and salaries. Triggers can be also be used to historical data. For example, keep the track on the employees' previous salaries. So these are the data to be entered in the SQL commands. This first, I have to create a trigger to check the valid of course code should be a 2-digit code, cannot be less than 10, is greater than 99. So before the row is inserted, the course code should be in a 2 digits. So we take from 10 to 99. This first we want to create a trigger, create or replace trigger before insert. First we want if they insert before insert we want to give an alert. So before insert on course trigger for each row begin if new course code is less than 10, then raise the application error as an invalid course code. uh, and if new course code is greater than 99, then it will be raise an invalid course code. So if we insert a command to this, if we give 1 2 3 because the source code in 3 digits, so it will be raise an error, so invalid course code error during the trigger. Second question, create a trigger which does not allows the DML operation to inquiry table if the name of the student is 1. So create a replace and trigger before insert or update or delete. So we want to skip that insert or delete or update, and then inquiry command for each row begin if a new name is student 1, then raise an if the student name is student 1, then it will be raising an error. If I give student 1 means it will be raising an error, so it will be executed successfully. In this third question, create a trigger that allows no insert operation on the fees paid table when an amount is less than 10,000. In this 10,000, create or replace trigger before insert or fees paid trigger. For each row begins with the new amount is less than 10,000, then raise an application error. So if I give 5,000, it will be less than 10,000, so it is raising an error. This fourth one, create or replace trigger before insert an anchor table. For each row begin if new anchor data uh, is greater than 25 August 17, then it will be raising an error. If you give 26 or 27 August 17, it will be raising an error. Below 27, it will be below 25, it will be accepted. This fifth one, create and trigger not allow the update operation in an inquiry table whenever the old value of the new updated student is not equal to the old value in the table. So create or replace the trigger and before update on inquiry table. For each row begin if new inquiry number equal to old dot inquiry number, then raise an application. If new inquiry number is old, already old inquiry number is exist, so it will be does not allow the update operation in this operation inquiry number. So if we give update inquiry table set 11001, if same value is there, so it will be raising an error. In the sixth one, create and record ensure no insert operation to be followed in the fees paid table when the average of the fees paid amount is above 50,000. Create or replace trigger before insert on fees paid for each row. Declare average number is less than 20. Begin select average amount into average from the fees paid. If average is less than 50,000, then raise an application error minus 2001. Average amount is exited, and if end, and I want to finish this statement by this backslash. If I give the amount is to 2,999,2,999, it will be the average amount is existed. So error during the execution of trigger of T6307, and the above triggers are executed and verified and all the commands were run successfully. Okay, thank you.